So we're making improvements for how we track support tickets. In the top right hand corner, if you click support, you will now find that you can access a new support tab where you can basically select a request and I have an issue. We recommend that you give as much information as possible. So milestone impact, report not printing, for example. If you have attachments like images or files, anything that you want to attach, then please do that there. In the category, if it is a bug or if it's a data issue or something else, then please make sure you list it in the correct place. And then please give it a priority. So if it is something that is completely breaking your workflow, then it is urgent. If it is a minor improvement recommendation, then it is low. Please use your best judgment on the priority here. I'm going to say urgent, and then you can send a request. So now that you've submitted the ticket, the eHab team will receive this on our side and we will assign someone to it and assign a timeline. If the status changes to waiting, this is because we have asked you a question and we are hoping for your response. Once the ticket is completed, we will change it to resolved. And if it's resolved and there is some follow-up issue related to that same issue, then you can create a new follow-up associated to it, although this ticket will be closed. So the new follow-up will then become a new ticket, but it will be linked to the old one. So now you can see this same issue has a little follow-up tag here, so I can click back to this old issue if required. You should only be able to see your own issues unless you are a division admin or an org admin, and then you'll be able to see larger and larger numbers of the requests that are coming in. So if you're an org admin, you will see all of them listed here, and then you can filter by open, in progress, waiting, resolved, for example. If you have any questions about this, please let us know. And you can always give feedback now via this format. So if you have a feature request or if you have some other request, for example, if there's a new how-to video that you would like requested, then you can include that here and submit that to us and we will review that. Thanks so much for listening.